Standing in a glass bowl at the end of a black hole.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be painting these bumper lips for the front bumper covers for a Corolla 22. You can use it for a 208 to a 2013 model. So we're just gonna scrape it a bit, wipe it down, take the grease out, and then just spray 1 or 2 layers and then a clear coat on top. But first I'm gonna test it, just try and see if it fits on my front bumper.
Faces rolling past me, all my memories rolling past me. Cold lost beneath the ground. All done by my own hand. I allow my feelings to become sad.
Yeah, this is a perfect fit. So I'm gonna use this to scrape it.
If you're gonna cut me down, better do it quickly now. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again, oh yeah.
And then we'll use this to wipe it down. This comes with the paint. The link will be in the description for this item. For the paint, we should have this item. So we'll let it dry up for now, and then after that we can do the first coat and leave it for a few minutes, then do another one, and then finish up with a clear coat. So now we'll wipe the degreaser off with a clean microfiber cloth. Then we can leave it for a few and then do another coat.
My roots are strong. This is not forever. Folks changing like the weather.
And then we'll leave it for now and probably do 1 or 2 final ones.
Toxic people being severed, like leaves falling in September. Cold, wet, and on the ground.
Now we'll do the clear coat and that would be it.
You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again, oh yeah, my roots are strong.
So it looks nice now. I'll just leave it out to dry, and with that we should be good. So that's how you can do it as a beginner. Of course, nothing professional in this, but this is something you can do. It can save you tens if not hundreds of dollars. So If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Check the link in the description of where you can get this front bumper lips, where you can get the clear coat and the paint. And as always, see you on the next one.